Hey neighbor, in this video, I'm going to show you how I run ads for my business. Let's get into it. This is going to be very beginner friendly, so don't fright. Before we get started, you want to make sure that your Instagram is a business account. If it's not, you want to come to these three lines here. You go down to creator tools and controls. You click on switch account type. Mine is currently a creator account, so you want to make sure that your account is either a creator account or a business account. Now we have that checked. You want to come back here and choose the video you want to promote. Let's say I want to promote this reel. All you need to do here is to click on boost post. Now, Instagram will ask you, what do you want people to do when they see your ad? Do you want them to visit your profile? Now, this is mostly used for brand awareness. If you want views, if you want likes, all of those things. Another option is visit your website. If you are selling something, if you want people to buy your products, your services, if you want people to fill a form, this is the objective you're going to use. If you need customers, clients to message you directly, you can use this one. But for this particular tutorial, I want people to visit my profile, so I'm going to choose the first one. The next stage is who should see your ads. You can use suggested audience if you want, or you can create your own custom audience by clicking create your own. You come here, you key in the name, the location of your audience, the minimum age, and all of that. Once you have that set, you can proceed. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use suggested audience. Instagram is basically going to target my ads to people that are similar to my followers. Okay, so I'm going to click on next. Next step is choosing your budget. How much do you want to spend in a day? Normally, I leave my ads to run for like 7 days minimum. That's for the duration. But for budget, you can reduce this to the minimum you can run ad here now is 1,455 naira. Okay, you can either do that, you can either leave it here or increase your budget if you want, depending on your needs. Okay, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to leave my budget for 2,183 naira. You can see that it's telling me that my estimated profile visit is low. Try increasing your budget to 4,366 to improve results. So I'm going to do just that. Normally I run ads from 5,000, so I'm going to leave it for 5,000 and click on next. Basically, they're going to give you a summary of everything. The goal is for profile visits, the audience similar, people similar to my followers, my budget and the duration. Ad preview, let's click on it and see what it's going to look like. So basically my ad is going to show ad on Facebook. I can toggle this off if I don't want it. Okay, so my ad is going to show on Instagram feed.
You're just tired
This is what
of
it's going to
depending
look like on
people for
Instagram
money.
feed. This is what it's going to look like on the explore page. Basically, these are just preview placements of your ad. So let's go back and add some funds, because as you can see here, I don't have enough budget that will cover this ad. I have here in my ad account 3,551 naira. So I'm going to click on add funds. I've not really funded my accounts from here. I'm going to show you the app I use in funding my ad account. Once you sign up and connect this to your account, you want to come to settings, billing and payments. So I'm going to click on fund. I want to add 30,000 naira to my ad account for the sake of this tutorial. So here you have different options you can use. Pay by USSD, but personally I just use bank transfer. All you need to do is to just copy the account number, go to your bank app. I'm currently using OPay. Go to your bank app and make payments. You can see here now that we have the boost post option. So all you need to do is just to click on boost post and your ad is live. Now let me show you the next way you can run meta ads. So the next method I use in running my ads is through Meta Business Suite. Now to do this, you first need to have a Facebook account, a Facebook page, and also connect your Instagram account to your Facebook. Once your account is connected to Instagram, you just come to your main Facebook account and click on Meta Business Suite. This is how I got here. Okay, so how do I run ads from here? I simply come to my posts. These are all my posts on Instagram. So you want to come here, click on see all posts and reels. If what you're looking for is not there, I'm going to look for a post or a video reel to use for this tutorial. This is what I want to post. So I'm going to click on boost. It's going to ask the results you want to achieve with this particular ad. The goal I want to achieve with this particular ad is for people to visit the URL that's going to be attached to this carousel. So after choosing my goal, the next thing I want to do is to choose my button label. You can choose book now, sign up, whatever it is you like to use here, but I love using learn more. I'm also going to bring in the URL I want people to visit, the website or the landing page I want people to visit. Next up is my audience. I can use people similar to my followers on Instagram, or I can use any of the custom audience that I had created in the past. Okay, for the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to leave it here. I want my ad to run for at least 7 days. Okay, for budget, I'm going to increase my ad to, let's say, 3,000 naira. Okay, so we have everything set up. The next thing we want to do is to click on publish. Now, I want to show you the third method I use in running ads. Now, you might hear a lot of people say, oh, don't boost your ad directly on the mobile app or from the app. Don't boost your app on Meta Business Suite. You should go through this other route. And this is what I want to show you now. Basically, I literally use the three. But if I'm being honest with you, I've gotten the most results from basically just clicking boost. I feel like it's individual differences. Just do what works for you. For me, creating my ads from here and creating it directly from the Instagram mobile app has given me more results than I've ever gotten from this particular process I want to show now. But I see people use this particular process a lot. That is running the ad from ad manager. You can get access to your ad manager basically from your Meta Business Suite. All you need to do is to come here, you click on all tools and click on ads manager, and it will show you something like this. I'm going to block all my ads. So once you are here, you want to click on create. Now you are creating your ads from scratch. Meta is going to ask you to choose your campaign objective. What do you want to achieve? What's your goal? Is it awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, sales? We're going to run a traffic campaign. Okay, so we're going to click on continue and then click on manual traffic campaign. Click on continue. It will bring us here. This is where we're going to set our ads from scratch. You can give your campaign name, new traffic campaign. Let me call it new traffic campaign for VAS. Leave everything the way it is here. You don't have to touch anything here. We're going to click on next. The next step is the asset. So I'm just going to say for VAS here. Here we want to choose our conversion location. Do we need people to visit our website? Or do I need people to send me messages on Instagram or WhatsApp? So that's my goal. Next up is my destination. So the next step is budget and schedule. For our budget, I'm going to keep my budget here for 2,000 naira, right? And I'm going to set an end date for this ad. Next up is audiences. Personally, I want my ads to be shown to people from the ages of 24 to, let's say, 45. Okay, I also want to change the gender. So you can leave it for all, but I want to specifically target women. As a man, you can sign up for the video. I want to specifically target women. So once we have our audience check, click on next. You want to choose the creative for your ad. Do you have an existing post you want to use? You can click on here. But if you don't, you click on the format you want to use. Is it a single post you want to use for your ad? Is it a video reel? Is it a carousel? You choose that here. You come down, you click on media, upload the image you want to use, add your primary text, your description. But for this particular ad, I want to use an existing post on my Instagram page. So I'm going to click on existing post, come down to add creative and select. I'm going to click on continue. So my caption for that particular reel automatically becomes my primary text. Okay, so I'm going to leave it the way it is. I'm done here. But before we click on publish, I want us to preview what our ad will look like. Okay, click on advanced preview. Let's see what it's going to look like. So this is what our ad is going to look like on Facebook feed, Instagram feed stories, explore, and all of that. I am happy with what I have here, so I'm going to click on publish. This is how I literally run ads for myself, for my business. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section and I will definitely get back to you.